What's the meaning of black cab? Black cab. Black cab.
Black cab. Black cab. Black cab is a term commonly used in England to refer to the iconic, black-colored taxis that roam the streets of London and other cities. These taxis are known for their traditional shape and design, as well as for their reliability and safety features. They are also referred to as hackney carriages or simply cabs. The name black cab comes from the fact that traditionally, the taxis were painted black, and even today, they are required to adhere to strict regulations regarding their appearance and maintenance. Overall, the term black cab has become synonymous with high-quality, professional taxi services in the United Kingdom.